Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are doing this series to become an Agent Blazer champion. And in our previous video we have covered certain modules, and this module to be specific, that is Introduction to Agent Force, which was very short video. And today we are going to complete this module, that is Introduction to Agent Builder. It is also a very short video because we are going to just talk about certain features and certain like on the agent builder, what are the things are available and what are their features. So let's dive deep into it. We'll be starting this. So agent builder is nothing but a tool using which we can build our agent. That is a builder to build an agent. So if we talk about agent builder, it would look something like this. After you enable agent builder in your org, if you search for agent, you could see the agent builder here. At first you can see that there is agent written, which will lead us to the agent builder or agent studio. Then we have certain default agent available, that is the agent force default, customer service agent, escalate to case, or installation agent. These are some of the default agent we are having available for us, which we can customize more. Or then we are having third, that is hit the trail with agents. If you are looking for some more information related to agent force, you can just click on this and you will lead to the learning part of the agent force, that is to the trailhead. And then in on the fourth point here, we are having a new agent action button, using which we can create our own customized agent apart from these. So that's how we can build our agent. Then while building a new agent, we need to configure some of the things. First of all, we need to select the type. That is, either we can choose the pre-configured agent types which aligns with the skills our agents needs to do the job, or we can create a brand new agent from the scratch. The agent type which we will be selecting influences the topics and even the actions available to our agent. Then we need to review the topics. We can either add or remove the predefined topics which we will be having, which will categorize of the jobs an agent can do. Some of the topics can include predefined actions as well, which are the individual tasks or the jobs which our agent will be able to perform, such as processing an order return or summarizing an account. So these are the action which can call flows, prompt builder templates, or even the invocable apex. Then we can define some of the settings. We can define the name of our agent or its description. We can define its role and even tell the agent about our company. So select an agent user that has the necessary permissions to access the information it needs to do its job. We can configure permissions for a new agent user in user settings as well, and also we can enrich event logs with conversation data to help test and troubleshoot our agent. Then we need to select the data. So if the data cloud is enabled in our org, we can choose to upload data like knowledge articles or even other informations for our agents to reference to provide more personalized responses. However, many kind of agent don't require data at all. So that's how we can create it. If you see, here is the more clear look of the agent after you will land on the agent builder. First of all, it will give you an option to select the type, including these options, that is the agent force sales development rep, agent force service agent, then the agent force agent. You can select your type, then you can click on next, and then you will you will land on the review topics page, where you can review the topics. These are some of the already added or pre-configured topics. You can either add them or remove them as per your convenience. Then we'll move on to the next. After moving, we can define the settings, that is we can give the name to our agent, its API name, we can provide the description, its role, or we can tell the agent about our company as well. And we can even enrich event log with the conversation data. If we are having that data, we can enable this checkbox, otherwise not. Then if we want our agent to refer a database or using our data cloud, so we can select a library for that as well. And after we are done with all of that, we can just click on the create button. So that's how our agent builder will look like. After doing all of these settings, then you will see some of the topics here which you can select. Here are the this is the topic icon, these are the topic labels. You can select escalation or case management. Then from here we can select the new asset from the library as well. We can provide its conversational data or describe its task, what it wants to do. Here it will show us how it is working, or from which topic it is going through. As of now, it is kind of a debug which we do in the flow. So this is kind of the debug of the agent. Then using this button we can activate or deactivate our agent similar to the flow as well. Now we have, using this icon, we can see there is some better settings available for the language as well, so that our agent can be available in multiple languages at a time, but currently it is a beta feature. Then we can view the event logs as well if we have enabled it using this icon. So here you can see this is the event logs which has been generated for our agent. Then in the builder, if we see, there are two tabs as well. First of all is system settings, sorry, system messages, and then we have setup checklist as well. So system messages is not nothing, but it defines the greeting users which we see at the start of a conversation. So it says what to say if a system error occurs. And then in setup checklist, we review this checklist before activating so that our agent is deployed, and it helps make sure that we haven't forgotten any of the crucial steps. So at the end, after creating our agent, this is the details page of an agent looks like. And that's it for the agent builder. Now let's come to the quiz. Our first question is, what influences the topics and the actions that are associated with our agent? So first option is settings, second option is agent type, third option is data, and the last option is agent studio. So agent type influences the topics and actions which are associated with the agent. Second question is, in which step do you describe your agent's role? So first option is agent type, second is select data, third is define settings, and fourth one is review topics. So if you remember, in define settings step where we describe or define the name of the agent, there only we describe the agent's role as well. So this should be the correct answer. Let's check. And that's how we are completed this module, that is introduction to the agent builder. Now we'll cover our next module, that is agent force for service. I know it is showing as complete, but don't worry, we'll be doing it again for this video. So stay tuned and thank you. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you are facing any problem, or if you want me to make video on any other topic. And there are other social media handles as well mentioned in the description box. You can reach me out there as well. So thank you. Stay tuned.